Hi, my name is Eric Hendershot. I have over 20 years experience in the automotive industry and have noticed there's a lack of service providers offering a basic essential service. That service is quality oil changes. That's why I started Eric's Oil Changes. While there are many shops such as Jiffy Lube or Grease Monkey, our model is different that provide only oil changes using the highest quality materials, the quickest turnaround, and the highest customer service. Anyone with a vehicle or a shortage of time are potential customers. Other shops may offer oil changes, but their strategy is to use the service as a springboard to sell other services. Our model is to offer only one service, but to do it exceptionally well. In this way, we will stand out from the other shops and thrive against our competitors. In order to maximize our returns, we will minimize our overhead and partner with suppliers to obtain the best cost of materials in order to maximize profits. We also use low-cost marketing to keep our advertising costs down while reaching the largest audience possible. We expect to be earning a 400% return on investments within the next year and thought you'd be interested in becoming a part of this great opportunity. I'd love to visit with you some more. Here is my contact information. When can I get with you to discuss these exciting prospects?